Hey guys, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to download and use Proton VPN on Android. If you're ready, the first step is to open the Google Play Store. Then, search for Proton VPN. Then tap on Proton VPN and tap the Install button. Once the download is complete, open the Proton VPN app. At this step, you can choose to continue as a guest or create an account. It's entirely up to you. I will choose to continue as a guest. You can purchase a Plus membership right now if you wish, or you can start using the free version by tapping Not Now. Now you can connect to one of the free servers by tapping the Connect button. Finally, tap OK in the notification message that appears. As you can see, I have successfully connected to the Proton VPN server. If you want to disconnect the VPN connection, simply tap the Disconnect button. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to download and use Proton VPN on Android has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.